Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have released our polish and compound lineup. Many of you have ordered it. I'm going to bring you in on this Mercedes F580, and one of the most important things is using the system to your advantage. We have a hard clear coat. We got one step to get it done. This is not a full correction. This is just trying to get a lot of the defects out, one step, but how can we manipulate our system with the pads you have on hand to get the best result? We can't wait to show you how this thing works. Come on in with us. All right, everyone. Now here we are. We're going to do this back trunk. We're going to do the trunk lid, I should say. One of the things I found when we did a test spot, and I didn't want to bore you with a test spot, but let me go ahead and show you what I found. We got extremely hard clear coat. We got one step. Now, most people would be like, Nick, just reach for Velo. This is our one step. Here's the problem. When I tried to do it one step, I wasn't getting the cut that I wanted and the finish that I wanted. So there's a way for us to get our result out of our system and not just have to rely on a one step. One steps work great 95% of the time. Now I'm in a situation where I'm sitting here looking at this and I go, okay, I'm not getting the result I want. We'll show you the one step. The one step is pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't mean it was perfect for this one. So here's the crazy thing. So we're going to use, because I was looking for some more cut, but also I got to have the finish. So we're going to take Level, okay, and we're going to take Luxe, cutting compound and finishing polish. And what we're going to do, and what I found, again, doing a thorough test spot, and this is a great part of our system, go ahead and shake it up. We're going to go ahead, you can see I've already used this pad on the trunk, okay? I'm going to put about 3 dots of Level, 2 dots of Luxe, our finishing polish. Now what this is going to do, for those of you that have done this, you know the rules, but for those of you that have never done this, what I'm getting out of this right here is I'm getting a really simple idea. I'm getting a ton of cut from our Level, but I'm getting some finish on there. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of the area, and we'll bring you back in once we're done. Notice that it wipes off really easily, okay? Let's see, let's go ahead and get a light on it. Ton of cut, ton of finish. I'm gonna go ahead and do a panel wipe, so when I bring you guys in, you can see it's a totally clean surface. The thing about doing something like this is our system can adapt to the situation that you're in. And in this situation, we have a little bit tougher clear coat, and I want to get some finish. This customer, maybe it's you out there doing it on your own car, you're not going to see the results you want sometimes with just a one step. So the most important thing is having a system that you can go ahead and get the way you want. I just need to wipe off a little wet spot here. And I'm very happy with the results that we got in a very quick amount of time. And again, this car is not in bad shape, but I want to get it exactly where I want it, and I want to utilize the system to our advantage. I don't know if you can pick this up. I'll bring you in on camera, and we'll see exactly the results we got. All right, guys. Now you see finished, all those defects cut out. A little bit of haze, okay, that we can get rid of. Tiny little spot in the middle. May have just been from inconsistent movement on my part. But look at the finish we're able to get. No haze. Again, minimal haze, I guess. I mean, could you take it to another degree? Sure you could. Let me move the camera back so you can really get my eye view of it. Let's reduce the light. There you go. Show you how clean it is. We'll take the temp, move it to a different temp. So you're getting to see all the different angles that we cut out of this. We cut out of here, you know, the other side. Nice, even passes. Okay, got a little stuff left, but again, we did this in one step, which is just, again, using the system to your advantage, getting the result, pretty hard clear. So, hope everybody enjoys it. All right, guys, so we finished up the Mercedes S580. We showed you how to manipulate our system to get the best result for the car in front of you. Again, don't be scared to a couple drops of Level and a couple drops of Luxe. If you're running up against a little bit harder paint, sometimes that's the thing you can do. Velo will always work great, will always get the job done. I just wanted a tiny bit more cut, so I added a little Level and a little of our polish, and things worked out great. All we have left to do, go in here, use our panel prep wipe, and get it prepared for coating. We have hardly any dust, any debris, nothing really to worry about on the surface. I can't wait to see how this goes out. We're actually only going to put stack on it. We've PPF'd the front of this car, we've polished the rest of it, and here's what we got to do now. Get it prepped, get it ready for ceramic coating. Final result, we're delivering it to the client tomorrow. If you're doing this in your house, in your garage, if you're doing it professionally, our system is really super easy to work with. Hope this video helps show you the different options you have. And thank you everyone for your support. Catch you on the next video.